Mesquite police say one of their officers shot and killed a man today after he threatened them with a shotgun. And we learned that he is a member of the tactical team who's been on the force for 9 years. It happened this morning near Gus Thomason Road and La Prada Drive. Neighbors reported a man in the street pointing a gun at people, but by the time police arrived, he'd gone back inside a home. Officers spent several hours trying to get him to surrender, and when he finally came out around 4 a.m., he pointed a shotgun at them. The tactical team member shot the man, and he died at a hospital nearby.